Alright, today we have our tags here on the left pane, and the scenario here is you have shared a number of files located on your computer with other employees in your company. This has been working fine. However, when you came in the office today, you received a number of calls from users who say they can't connect to your shared files. After checking your computer, you find that the Ethernet cable was unplugged. You have now plugged the Ethernet cable in, and now you need to start network interface card. In this lab, your task is to determine which network interface went down when the Ethernet cable was unplugged. Start the network interface from command line. Verify the network interface shows up. Alright, so let's check the network. Let's check the network name first of all. So we click here and it's EMP2S0. Alright, so let's start up our command line, which is a terminal, and then we are going to impute IP address show space EMP2S0, and let's see if this is correct. Alright, so this code is correct, so we click enter. Alright, let's see. Okay, so let's link this. So we're going to type in IP link set EMP2S0. Alright, so this has been done. So let's check again to be sure. IP address show EMP2S0, and we press enter. Okay, it is now. Alright, so this is now working. Alright, so let's check our answers to be sure everything is fine. Alright, so everything is fine here, and if this video was helpful, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Remember to like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.